In this session, let's summarize what we discussed about insert operations. Use the MySQL insert statement to insert single or multiple rows into the table. So use MySQL insert into select statement to insert the data into a table from a result set. I mean to say, like, you can fetch the data out of one table and you can insert into this another table. So you can also use MySQL insert ignore statement to insert rows into the table and ignore the errors for the rows that cause the errors, right? And use the on duplicate key update option so to insert the data into the table and update existing data if duplicate errors occurred. So technically you will be having an insert syntax. So you can use insert into table or insert ignore into table, or you can also use insert ignore into table or on duplicate key update. So the different ways of insert syntax that has been provided on this session. I hope you have a clear understanding of how to use the insert sessions, and let's move on to the next way of handling the SQL queries. Thank you for watching this video.